We're slowly moving into the fourth industrial revolution, often called Industry 4.0. And as a result, the skill sets required from students when they leave school and college is different. So we're now looking for students with analytical computing skills, algorithm thinking, AI, data science. And as part of a pilot project with the Tablet Academy and Intel, we're working here at Newtown College to explore some of these areas and have the students do hands-on activities around Industry 4 technologies.
Today we have a fantastic session with Simon Johnson about artificial intelligence as well as robotics. We participate in series of activities to see how artificial intelligence learns from us as humans.
The first thing we've done in the session was look at some potential future careers. We talked about what we think may be future careers, and then we were given a task. We've been using Python, and we've been given a set of things that we have to draw, and we have to achieve it in the least amount of lines.
The impact has been really successful. The students have really enjoyed the activities, but one of the most positive things that have come out of this is the students saying, I thought that these topics are really difficult, but these lessons and courses have shown us how easy it is to access these technologies.
Programming is already in every aspect of our lives. We are talking about car mechanics, we are talking about electronics, we are talking about, smart devices that we have in our homes as well. AI is the future. AI already exists, and for students to make that connection between the classroom and where they can go in the future is very important.